Janelle, skunk. Right there. Come down where I'm at.
Oh my God.
We definitely don't want to get too close to him to scare him.
I want to go up and video it, but
We found a
will he
skunk.
come after us if he sees us? Or will
No,
he not mess with us?
reason they spray is if you come up on and scare him. But obviously, he couldn't give a rat's ass about us. They're cute though.
It's a baby.
Yeah, he's a little baby. Wonder where Mama's at. Maybe like
I've never ever in my life seen one.
a skunk,
Just
a
walking
live one.
somewhere.
Yeah. Usually like laying dead on the road.
I've seen
Well, luckily I saw him because
tons
I
of them
started.
my dad's caught, but
Cute, but maybe go right around the edge here. The thing about these animals, they're probably used to people.
yeah, they probably are. But, you know, the noise and everything.
They've seen us. Got his ears up looking at us. Like, who are you people? Now he's freezing. I don't think we'll see him.
Yeah, it thinks that it's hidden down.
Otter.
See us.
Looks like crap. I can't even get through this.
Yeah, it's
It's
stuck.
like mud.
It's getting sunk into the muck. Yeah, you know the wildlife has had to totally change everything.
Yeah.
The water's not the same. Their homes are probably like
You know,
new.
it's like the beavers, and they build dams, and they have to have
Is
water
that
to
what
do
that
that.
is? A beaver?
I don't know if it's a beaver, if
Muskrat
it's a muskrat, or probably a muskrat.